You got a good one here, I think, peeps. Oh yeah. This feels pretty good. Oh, I'm getting tangled up with fucking line everywhere. Oh, try to get away from the line a bit. He feels alright. Back, just back the drag off a bit. Geez, that felt good. Back the drag off a bit more. Here he comes. I think he's pretty good. Holy shit, he's a good one. He's a pretty good one. He's a good one. Oh, where's he going? Uh-oh. I've got to try and stay away from the other line. Alright. I was just trolling over to another little rock wall. Here we go. We're going to get a look. He's coming up right underneath the kayak. Oh, he's pretty good. He's pretty good. I'll try and untangle his shit. Oh, where you going, mate? Oh, he's powerful, eh? Really. Okay. Here he comes. Oh, I'm trying to get out of the bloody sun so I can see him. Oh. I just want to see how I got him hooked. Oh, he's still peeling line, eh? They're so powerful, these fish. And I'll tell you what, that hit was just, oh, he just cracked it, just absolutely belted it. Here we go. Yeah, he's a pretty good one. Pretty good. Oh. Yeah, have I got him pinned? Oh, I've only got one hook in him. Alright, we got him. Phew. He's pretty good. I'm just keeping him in the water. I do want to get a measure on him, size. He's not too bad. The old one-handed paddle back to shore. Plus it's getting a bit of air into his gills too. Not that he needs it, I haven't had him out of the water yet, so. I was actually going to stop here and have a couple of casts, and I thought, oh, no, I'll just troll through and then go and hit this little rock wall. But I'm glad I made that decision. Oh, he's only a 85. That's how excited I was. So fat though, eh? There you go. 85 on the wobblegum. Can't beat the wobblegums, eh? They're too good. So healthy, the fish in the dam. That's why they pull. There's so much weight there. It's hard to move the weight. You right, buddy? Look at that. Thanks, mate. You are a legend. You can never get enough of catching those bigger fish, eh? It's like only an 85, but just the thickness of them is just enormous. The cool thing is when you hook up after a hit like that, you're just never really sure how big they are. I just can't get enough of catching them. But it is the purple and silver wobblegum. Does the trick. They've been quiet. Pretty quiet, the fish. I came out yesterday for a little bit and dropped a good one. That was on, I'll show you quickly. I'm just tinkering around with some different colours. So that was on that red and black fella. So just pulled the hooks. I couldn't get tension on him. Because they do hit these a bit strange. It's not, they don't hit them like your normal hard body lures. I think they just gulp them. I mean, you've got to get pressure on them straight away and set the hook. But yeah, there's no worries about setting the hook when you're trolling. So oh, I love that. So anyway, I'll give you a quick look at something. There'll be a lot more wobblegums for sale pretty soon. So I might have made a little bit of a mould so I can pour them, and I'm just figuring out the weights at the moment, so there'll be no weight to get your hands on a wobblegum. If you want one, you probably should, because they're pretty good. Anyway, a little bit more time to go. We'll see if we can jag another one.